What is up, guys? Sonduren Fanarredha here. Today I'm in the 2009 Lexus IS250, and one of the things that's been bugging me about this car is the AFS light indicator. So this is for your headlights. When you're turning left or right, it's either going to turn the headlight left or right to give you better vision on the road. In this case, it's not working, and there's an assortment of reasons why it may not be working, and this tutorial is just to talk about how you remove the light. I don't necessarily care for the light or for that feature, and a lot of you may have aftermarket headlights that don't have the AFS functionality in it, so you do want to go ahead and remove that notification from your car. So I'm going to show you, by taking out the right fuse, how you're going to go ahead and remove that error message or that dash light. So this is the driver's side instrument panel, and you're going to see this is going to be reflected just right below here in your fuse box. So we're looking for AFS, and you're going to notice that AFS is right here. So it is fuse number 17. The fuse is HLP LVL. It's a 7.5 amp fuse, and that's the AFS circuit here. And if you look at it over here, you'll notice it's right over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out, and that should remove the light. It's that simple to remove the AFS indicator for those not looking to fix the problem, but looking to just remove the indicator light or the warning light from your dash. So this is where if you have a bad back, you're not gonna enjoy this part too much. Or if your carpets are really dirty, what you're gonna need to do, I have needle nose pliers. I'm gonna go ahead in there and grab that fuse. So it's good to remember and reference where that fuse was. And in this case, I have this, which is the cover, and you can actually see here all the different fuses that are on the panel. Now, based on the document that it showed me, I know that this is the fuse. It's this HPLVL, and it's on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. You're gonna have to map it out when you're down there.
Should be this fuse right here.
Okay. Oh. All right. We got that. So that's the 7.5 amp fuse. So we got the fuse out. Now we should just be able to turn the car on. And again, you wanted to make sure you did that with the car off. We've taken out the fuse, turn the car back on. Let's see what happens. All right, if you want to come over and look, you're gonna see the AFS light is now off. Got no AFS light. So I hope that video helped you out. I know I had this problem and I didn't get to fixing it, and I know a lot of people do have questions regarding this. I had a bunch of people ask me in previous videos. So if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment box down below. If you liked this video, you thought it was helpful, give it a like, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Over 25,000 subscribers. If you have a Lexus or you're looking to buy a Lexus and you want to learn more about it, that's where I'm going to be doing a lot of my videos here on this channel around this Lexus IS250 and my Lexus IS350. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.